Morning folks, I'm Johan de Brutto at Chatran Mounted Combat and Bushcraft. Welcome, enjoy, and I hope you learn something from what we do here. I wanted to take the moment to quickly discuss a piece of equipment that we used on our travels this weekend. This is our FireKit, and I'll bring the camera a little bit closer so that you can have a close-up look and see what we have in this FireKit that I'm wearing on my waist belt. That's always handy when I'm riding, when I'm hiking, wherever I am. If we look at this pouch that we have, this is actually an old ammo pouch that I'm using. It sits on my belt, quite wide, so you can use a nice wide belt when you're riding with us. It simply clips open, and here you can see those are the holes where the cartridges would use to sit. Now we have a flint rod, magnesium rod in there, and inside of that we've got our little tin with our fisherman friend, and inside this tin we have added the following. We've got a little extra tin that can stand up to wear and tear. It's not gonna break or bump in your pack. And inside of this we have some spare matches with the striking paper at the back there. You can see more than enough for plenty of fires. We also carry a normal big lighter for easy quick flame. You can see here it's wrapped with a leather cord so that this lever doesn't get pressed down accidentally and you lose all your gas. So there's our second backup. And then what we've added in here as well is some cotton balls. I've mixed these cotton balls with a little bit of petroleum jelly just to make them burn longer. This is very easy to light with either a match or with a flint. Any type of spark, your lighter, very easy. And with the petroleum in there as well, it burns for 8 to 10 minutes, more than enough so that you can get a fire burning. We've got 3 of those balls in there. And the last item that we have in here is a striker plate for our flint. We can also use our knives. If you have a knife with a relatively high carbon content, you can also use the knife and you can get the same effect. So that is the contents of our fire tin. This packs up very easily into our box. More than enough space for everything in there. The box goes in our leather pouch. Our rod goes on top, and there we are, ready to go. Well folks, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've learned something. Always keep your fire tin handy. You never know when you might need it. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Any comments, any questions that you have, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be back with you as soon as possible.